Now, let's see how to process a return. Click on the return option. To find the order, enter the invoice number or search using the customer details. After entering the invoice number, click search. The selected order will be displayed along with all the items included in that invoice. You can view every item that was purchased as part of the order. If the customer wants to return only a specific item, such as a burger, simply select that item and click Return. Next, choose the appropriate return reason. You can decide whether to return the entire quantity or only a specific quantity of the selected item. For example, if the customer purchased multiple burgers but wants to return only one, you can specify the exact quantity to be returned. If multiple items are being returned, select the relevant items and quantities accordingly. Once you confirm the return, choose the preferred refund method. The refund can be issued through cash, card, bank transfer, or voucher. As mentioned earlier, if you choose the voucher refund option, the system will generate a voucher code and print a voucher receipt. For a cash refund, you can return the amount directly from the cash drawer. You can also choose card or bank transfer refunds, depending on your business process. Now, let's look at the voucher option. When you select voucher, the system generates a unique voucher number and prints a receipt. You can hand this printed voucher receipt to the customer. The customer can then use the voucher during their next visit, typically within the voucher validity period, such as the next 7 days. They can redeem the voucher amount when purchasing food or beverages from your business. This provides a convenient alternative to issuing an immediate cash refund. That's all there is to the return and refund process.